In a bold and unexpected move, tech magnate Elon Musk has spearheaded a consortium offering $97.4 billion to acquire OpenAI, the renowned artificial intelligence research organization he co-founded in 2015. This bid, submitted to OpenAI's board of directors, aims to revert the company to its original non-profit, open-source mission, emphasizing safety and accessibility in AI development. A brief history of OpenAI, established in December 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and other prominent figures. OpenAI was conceived as a non-profit entity dedicated to advancing artificial intelligence for the collective benefit of humanity. The founders pledged a combined $1 billion to support this ambitious mission. However, as the organization's research progressed, the need for substantial computational resources and funding became evident. In response, OpenAI transitioned to a capped profit model, creating a for-profit subsidiary to attract external investments while purportedly maintaining its commitment to public welfare. This shift facilitated significant partnerships, notably with tech giant Microsoft, which invested heavily in OpenAI's projects. Musk's departure and rising tensions. Elon Musk resigned from OpenAI's board in 2018, citing potential conflicts of interest with his other ventures, particularly Tesla's AI initiatives. Despite his departure, Musk remained vocal about OpenAI's direction, expressing concerns over its move towards commercialization and its close ties with Microsoft. He argued that these developments deviated from OpenAI's foundational principles of openness and safety in AI research. In 2023, Musk founded Shy, an artificial intelligence company aiming to develop a generative AI program to compete with existing offerings like OpenAI's ChatGPT. This move intensified the rivalry between Musk and OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, leading to public disputes and legal challenges. The $97.4 billion bid, motivations and implications. The recent $97.4 billion bid to acquire OpenAI's controlling non-profit entity represents Musk's most assertive attempt to influence the organization's trajectory. According to reports, the consortium backing this offer includes Musk's, Shy and several prominent venture capital firms. The primary objective is to realign OpenAI with its original mission, ensuring that its research and developments remain open source and prioritize safety. Musk has been a vocal critic of OpenAI's shift towards a for-profit model, and its deepening partnership with Microsoft. He contends that these changes compromise the organization's commitment to ethical AI development and open accessibility. By acquiring OpenAI, Musk aims to restore its foundational values and mitigate potential risks associated with proprietary AI advancements. OpenAI's response and the road ahead. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, promptly rejected Musk's acquisition proposal. In a public statement, Altman dismissed the offer, underscoring the organization's intent to continue its current path. He suggested that Musk's bid might be an attempt to hinder OpenAI's progress, given Musk's competing interests in the AI sector through Shy. This development further strains the already tenuous relationship between Musk and Altman. Their differing visions for OpenAI's future, Musk's emphasis on open source safety versus Altman's strategy of growth through strategic partnerships, highlight the broader debate within the tech community about the commercialization of AI research. Industry reactions and ethical considerations. The tech industry has responded with a mix of intrigue and skepticism to Musk's aggressive bid. Some experts support the notion of OpenAI returning to its non-profit roots, arguing that such a move could enhance transparency and ethical oversight in AI development. Others question Musk's motives, viewing the bid as a strategic maneuver to advance his own interests in the competitive AI landscape. This situation also brings to the forefront ethical considerations regarding the control and direction of AI research. The balance between fostering innovation through private investment and ensuring that AI technologies are developed responsibly and remain accessible to the public is a critical concern. Musk's bid underscores the ongoing tension between these objectives and raises questions about the most appropriate governance structures for organizations at the forefront of AI research. Elon Musk's $97.4 billion bid to retake control of OpenAI marks a significant chapter in the evolving narrative of artificial intelligence development. It reflects deep-rooted disagreements about the commercialization of AI research and the ethical responsibilities of leading tech organizations. As the situation unfolds, the tech community and the public will closely monitor how these dynamics influence the future of AI and its role in society. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and tech content.